I notice both of you tend to do that, and the reason being is that the initial movement downwards is much more intuitive if you crank this hand by pushing it. This is awesome. And that in itself is that ability to have what that. Whereas if you have only the feel of this hand gripping, then pushing down, it negates the function of this hand being extended as well. So in fact, it's not really just the hand, it's the whole entire arm that comes down. You want to think about it when you think of it as a kind of like a on the face of it. Oh my God! Wow. Yeah, so you get this here with the other hand? Yeah, there you go. Oh. Yeah, that hand, that flicking could be the face, could be the neck, but you're laying onto the other arm as well. That is a power strike, not just it's not just for convenience and to open up. We do quite a bit. We do quite a bit of that light tapping thing. This is insertion. So we have that too, right? We have that too. That's not it. That insertion it feels very difficult. It feels very different from that. That has its place, but that also has its place. That as you lay into that, I don't care where that swings, I'm going to hit something. Yeah. She's like the Shaolin warriors, you know. I think it reminds you of the teaching. Come on, slam it. Go ahead. Yeah, harder. What? Harder. Yeah, harder the other way. From the front of the head. Yeah. Could be harder. What? Yeah, harder. Yeah. That's not good. It's not a light flick, right? It's a heavy land of the forearm. It's going to be great for us practicing. Is it likely?